Hey everybody, as you can see, we're working on a Toyota Tacoma pickup truck, and I need to change this front air-fuel ratio sensor. And on Toyotas, they don't have the air-fuel ratio sensors screwed in. They actually are bolted in with a stud and a nut and a stud and a nut. And as you can see, the nuts are completely gone on these. So usually what I do is I get the oxygen and acetylene torch out, and I'll heat these up. Then I'll take a pair of pliers and unscrew them. So let me get the torch set up and we'll come back and see if we can get these out. All right, you can see that I'm working right here. I can't get the camera any close. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a pair of vice grips and get them adjusted to the right size. A little too tight. All right, just for ha-has, I'm gonna, oh, guess what? I didn't even need to heat it. It's coming loose. Look at that. Yeah. So now I'm gonna switch over. Do I have any lube? Well, I don't have any lube, so I'm gonna switch over to my little tiny tongue and groove pliers, and you can see, look, actually it's coming off without any heat. Unbelievable. Usually you have to heat these up. So as you can see, it's coming off. So I completely lucked out on that one. This one here is in a really bad position. There's going to be no way to get that up in there, but I do have one of those twisty sockets. Let me go get that twisty socket and see if it'll work on the upper one. All right, so I have these twisty sockets. They're made by Snap-on. So I got my little hammer. First thing I'm going to do is there's a little gappage here. I'm going to go ahead and smack on this to see if that plate is moving. And guess what? That plate is moving. So the plate is moving a little bit. So now I'm going to try to get this up on here. This one might be a little bit too small. I might have to go up a size. Yeah, it's too small. I got another smaller one. Let me go get the right one. All right, let's see. This one. Fit on there. Ah, and it came loose. Unbelievable. And with no heat. Like I said, usually you have to heat these up. But if you do have the right tools, you can do this. All right, and there's the second nut, if you could call it a nut. All right, everybody, I'm gonna leave it at that. That is how you get those nuts, and these studs are still in good shape. Anyway, that's how you get the nuts off one of these when they are so bad. They'll still unscrew. You just gotta take it easy and use the right tools. All right, everybody, please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner right there. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my auto repair videos.